Okay, good day everyone. So today guys, we're going to learn how to create a shoe flyer, a shoe business flyer. So let's head straight down to today's class. I'm going to open our Canva. Hey, next, sorry. This is the flyer we're going to be creating. This is the flyer we're going to be creating. And for those wondering what the aspect ratio is, this is it. Let us come to click on upload size page. This is it. The width is 736 and the height is 862. That's it. So now let's head straight to design. So now the first thing I'm going to do is what importing of the background. This is the background I use here. I'm going to what zoom it well. Next thing I'm going to be adding is our text, which is Emmy shoes. I'm going to click on add the heading. The what Emmy name those selector Emmy shoe. Let me just make this one. Let me make the M small, small letter. Emmy then shoes. So now I'm going to come bring it up to the corner and just zoom it a bit. Yes, man. What happened? Now I'm going to change the font to Monster Art. I'm going to change it. I'm going to leave it as bold. So I'm just going to come here to this place. Watch me advance. Then I want to come to letter spacing so that the gap between the two letters won't be too much. I'm going to decrease it a bit. So you don't letter space. Sorry, just put on 0. Enter 0. Letter space, line spacing. Just that. It's okay like that. So I'm going to bring it here. Just follow what I did. I'm thinking. That's it. So now the next thing I'm going to do is change the color to something like color brown. You give me some color, I will use yourself. Just put this on color brown. Then the next thing I'm going to do is adding our service and the thing under. So I'm going to click on elements, then add a square shape. Drag down a bit. Widen it a bit. Then I want to come to corner. Now I'm going to increase it a bit more, just a bit more. And that's it. So I'm going to come to color and look for a lighter text. This is lighter brownish text. Let me just move to something more lighter than that. This one is more okay. This one is more okay. I still kind of use this one. Now the next thing I'm going to be adding is our service. That means the icon on top. The icon on top. I'm going to send the icon I use. So you guys are going to use the exact one. Let me just drag it here and bring it there like that. So now the next thing I'm going to do is just adding up the text and the things we sell, the thing that is there. So instead of me writing one by one, I'll just input them there. So I won't have to like wasting time and type one by one. Just decrease one a bit. Change this one behind a bit. So I'm going to change the color of this one to color white because of the background or the text. It's kind of too obvious for color white too. That's with the color black. So now next I'm going to do is what this stuff here. This stuff here. How I got it is from here. I come to element and I click on search for mark. I make sure that I pick one that does not have crown. Make sure you look for one that does not have crown. If you pick one that has crown, that means it's for a pro version. So listen, this one does not have crown. So I just pick this one and just zoom it and change the color to color brown. Color brown. That's it here. So that's the one I use. Then just leave this one. So I'm going to zoom very well and make sure I use it for everything. I duplicate it again, put it here, put it again, put it here, put it again, put it here, just drag it up a bit. So that's it for that one. So now the next thing I'm going to be adding is our service. Let me just locate the text, what we sell. So now instead of me just doing it one by one. So now this shape, how I got it, the name of this shape is called abstract shape. Let me just search for it so you can see it. It's called abstract shapes. You see it now. Oh wait, sorry. Let me just come to shape direct. Come to shapes. Then look for the one that says flow chart shape. This is flow chart shapes. Then this is it here. The nice. Let me just bring it here. What is wrong? I just turn it upside down. So make it 180. Then I drag it like this, zoom it where it's kind of stick, kind of. I'm changing the color to something color brown. Then I send it to back. And that's it for that. Now next I'm going to be adding is let me just duplicate this one, this shape here for the contact details. Just duplicate this one and widen it a bit for the contact details. Widen this one a bit. And next I also add a so after that I added the shoe. The shoe. In the old class I showed the process of how I crop that hair. So you guys can if you have not watched the last tutorial, don't watch go back to the last tutorial and can watch so you can understand how I did it. So let me just head straight to let me just I'll just come and duplicate it instead of doing it one by one again. Just on the side a bit. Let me just group those ones together. So it's easy for me to move them to one side. Let me group them together. Then I'll just click on this. This one, last one is not here. That part of them. So just me back. Then this one just shifts behind a bit. So I'm done for that already. So now next thing I'm going to be doing now, industry one. This one is too near to the this stuff. It's too near to this, but let me just group them together. Let me group them together, and so now the next thing I'm going to be adding is that the contact us and the main text. So that I just added a just normal square shape, just a normal rectangle shape. What I did here, and I changed the color to color brown so it can be visible. Color brown, change the corner to 1, just and that's it. That's it for that. Contact us. Just bring it here. Self type one by one. And this one also. Yeah, I should know how to get a WhatsApp icon by now. Just come to elements, just search for WhatsApp icon. You see many. Just search for WhatsApp icon. Just search for WhatsApp icon. WhatsApp icon. Make sure you pick the one that does not have crown. No. Like this one is free. Change the color to something like color white. So now let me just bring this one here. This one is call icon. Just search for call icon in the element side. And just make this one just a little bit smaller. And this one also. So now I'll submit. So now the last thing I'm going to add in is the image behind here. I'm going to send the image to the group so you guys can use it. So this is it. This is the full image. I just added it to this corner. And that's it. That's all for our free class. And next thing is just export it. Click on download this page and download. And that's all. That's it.